Three.
Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Steve with Captain Chef. Thanks to my channel. I'm at Point Pleasant Beach in New Jersey today, and we are going for squid fishing. Squid are growing crazy in New Jersey this year. This is my first trip, and hopefully we catch some fish.
Get the squid.
Yeah, good one.
I saw them came up to the top of the water.
Nice. 跟我想。接上了。都在，丢太晚。Three， 钓一个。没有啥的，掉在地下了。好像是还是小的好点儿，是吗？等你上来一下，我给你换一个，小的手感好。有鱼吗？好了？啊？好了？溜啊！去！没这个有。小的。自己改。
Hey, what's up, you all? Welcome to my kitchen. We caught the 67 squid during this trip. Today, with the fresh catch, I'm going to share with you a sushi recipe. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. To clean the squid, open the belly and remove the head along the guts. Now remove the skin. Trim the main tail and cut it into 1 by 3 inches pieces. Now cut the patterns on the main tail. Make sure the cut is not cut through the whole thing. Pour hot water on the squid and then immediately rinse in ice cold water. Dry the squid with paper towel. To make the nigiri sushi, apply a small amount of wasabi on the squid and then place the rice ball on the squid and form with your finger. Finally, apply some soy sauce on the squid and garnish with some masagos. This is the squid nigiri sushi I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.